In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to install the 75 flow sliding door system with a straight cover plate and a standard sliding door. Before installing the sliding door, make sure that the wall and the floor around the doorway area are straight. At the same time, make sure that there are support beams inside the wall so that the wall brackets can be firmly attached to the wall. To find out where the support beams are located inside the wall, you can use a wall scanner. Measure and mark the fixing height of the track. The height of the wall bracket screw holes are calculated as follows. Door height plus 85 millimeters. This leaves a 12 millimeter gap between the floor and the door. You can lower the door by approximately 7 millimeters with the hanger bolts after installation. Once you have marked the location for one screw hole, use a level and draw a horizontal line on the wall along the entire width of the track. Now you have marked the horizontal locations of the fixing screws for all the wall brackets. Slide the wall brackets onto the track by pushing the bracket lightly so that it can slide straight along the groove. Mount the wall brackets with the track attached to the wall and tighten the clamping screws onto the wall brackets. If you are working alone, first tighten the center bracket to the wall with one screw so that you can easily keep the track in place when installing the other wall brackets. Slide the hardware into the track. When inserting from the left, the parts are fitted in the following order. 1. Stop KP75. 2. Hanger MP75. 3. Hanger MP75. 4. Stop KP75. Attach the plates to the door approximately 1/5 of the door's width from the edge, so that the slots of the bolts face the wall. If you install soft closes mechanisms at both ends, fix the door plates so that the soft closer mechanisms fit inside the track. Lift the door into its place. Adjust the height and position of the door by turning the hanger bolts. Tighten the nuts onto the door plates. Install the bottom guide. Place and mark the position of the bottom guide so that it is completely hidden when the door is at the open position. Slide the door out of the way and screw the bottom guide to the floor. The bottom guide should remain in the guiding groove throughout the entire movement of the door. If you are unable to install the bottom guide on the floor, you can use a wall fixing bottom guide option. Move the track stop to the correct position. Move the track stop to where you want the door to stop at the open and closed positions and tighten. The best way to tighten the track stop with one hand is to push the stopper to the ceiling of the track while tightening it. Before installing the cover plate, make sure that door is at the required height, the fittings are correctly positioned and tightened, and that the door slides smoothly. Install the cover plate. Place the upper lip of the cover plate into the groove on the top of the track. Ensure the cover plate is flush with the end of the track. Use one hand to hold the cover plate and track together. Thumb in front of cover plate, other fingers between track and wall. With one hand grasping to the top of the cover plate at the end of the track, pull down and press the lower lip into its place. Repeat this procedure along the entire track, moving only one hand at a time. Finally, install the end caps.